Alright, got a Maytag washer. It's running. So far so good. It's in excellent shape. Still got to clean it up, touch it up a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and run super wash load with high and low agitation. Got everything basically set to the max. It is pretty much a full-on jeans load. Jeans and towel on the bottom with a couple of lighter items on top there. Letting it do its auto temperature. And we're just going to watch it go through its cycles. Everything else is great as far as the internal goes. It's all clean and ready to rock. So we'll kind of follow this as it goes along and catch up here. Okay, and we're back at the agitation cycle. See, it's got a very strong agitation. And I double check this thing does. Don't do this at home, but this thing works real good. Agitating the way it's supposed to. It's got a very strong agitation there. So okay, so we've moved on to the draining. Right now, I don't know if you see that hose moving, but it's draining all the water out here. It drains and then it spins. A little note, when this is on super wash, it literally agitates for like an hour and a half. So like regular is perfect. Anything over this is if you have super dirty clothes, like construction worker type stuff. I was worried that it wasn't actually advancing, and it was. It just took forever to get through these. So just note to self, regular is perfect. When I moved it up to regular, I got tired of waiting as it was moving through all these. I stuck it here, and it's still agitated for a good while. So that's like for a super dirty clothes, FYI. Anyway, so it is draining. The drain works, and it's about to move into its drain spin here. And we'll come back when it is on the final spin cycle. Okay, and we finally come to the spin cycle. I'll hold this real still here so you can see. It's running great, full blast, not shaking or anything like that, and it sounds excellent. So this washer is in excellent overall condition. I still got a little bit of cleaning left to do on it. Otherwise, it is good to go. Thanks for watching. Actually, forgot here. Last thing I want to show is how light these are. There's no water left in them at all. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but they're very light. It spun all the water out just like it was supposed to. It's something I always check. And I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, and that'll show in the pictures too. So nice and clean, and of course we'll touch it up if it needs it. Thanks for watching. And now we're moving on to the dryer that matches that washer here. It's a Maytag, and I just went through it, just serviced the whole thing, and I just tested it a second ago, but it's actually, my AC unit in the background is actually louder than this thing, so we'll go ahead and start it up so you can see. It is so quiet. I've got it on time dry there, which is high heat, and then I'll show you this here. This is my little temperature gun, and it checks the temperature of the surface. So it's a little chilly down here. See the wall over there. And then what I will do is show you that it is in fact heating on the inside of the dryer. So the light shines nice and bright here. And I'm going to shoot it right inside where the heat actually comes up from the heating element. You can see it's 200 degrees, and then of course on the inside about 71 degrees. Yep, so heating just fine. And I'm going to toss some clothes in here and let it run. All the clothes that I just washed in the washer over there, we're going to toss in here and let it run so you can hear that it's nice and smooth. So let me get those thrown in and we'll finish this up. Okay, so got it loaded up with the clothes there. As you can hear, with a full load of clothes. Still sounds excellent. There's no shakiness at all. There's no imbalance on it, and no squealing. And those are the important things you want to look for when you buy a dryer, especially anything used. And that's what I check for every time. So this set's going to be an excellent set. and we'll get it touched up. We'll touch up these little things here, these little marks here, and we'll get it listed up for sale. Thanks.